Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Monday workout today. Monday and Thursday workouts. Don't forget, for over 6 years right now, we have not missed an upload. Biggest excuse people have for not working out generally is we have no time. So today we're gonna try to fix that. We had a strength training workout today, something we don't do very often. It's not gonna be overwhelming, but we're gonna try to squeeze this thing to within 15 minutes. Some people call this workout myo-set workout, rest, pause, whatever you wanna call it. It's going to be very short pause periods between the sets of exercises. We have 5 basic exercises. They're all compound movements. So every movement is going to include multiple joints, no isolation work for biceps or triceps. That's going to be a waste of time, and we don't have time for that today. We're going to try to get as quickly as possible. I'm going to be using dumbbells and bands because the trick is to maximize each set, so with the most amount of weight we can do in a reasonable amount of time. The first set is going to be a warm-up set. Then we're going to take a little break, about 30 seconds, and we're going to follow it up with 3 working sets with breaks of only about 5 seconds between the sets. We're going to try to maximize our efforts. Like I said, maximum amount of work, minimum amount of time. That's today's goal. You guys ready to go? We're going to start with some chest presses on the floor. Obviously, I don't have a bench, just the floor. Grab your dumbbells. If you need to add a resistance band to your dumbbells, we'll do that. So my first set I'm going to do with just dumbbells, and then I'm going to add the resistance band. The first set, like I said, we are considering a little bit of a warm-up set. Get down on the floor with me. Grab your dumbbells. I should have been more ready than this, but it is what it is. And we're going to do an isometric hold on one side while we are working with the other side. So grab your dumbbells. Both go up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. And then just give me 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Keep going. 1, 2. If it's a little light, that's okay. We'll add the bend on the subsequent sets. Keep going. 1, 2. Just to warm up. 1. Keep it up. Let's do 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 1 more after that so we're even on the arms. There you go. And 1. All right, that's your warm-up set. Right now, I'm going to add the band. I'm going to use the black band for this. Wrap it around my back. We're going to go through the same thing, but this time, we're going to do as many repetitions as we can per set. Take a short little breather and repeat it 2 more times. Same thing, lay down. Remember, not much rest. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, up. And let's go. 1. Much more resistance. 2. 1. Keep it up. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. Keep going. 1. 2. 1 more on each side. For me at least. 1 and 2. Rest. Take a little breather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's go again. 1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2. 1. 1 more on this side. And 2. And rest. 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1. Keep going. Keep pushing. Maximum effort. Keep it up. 2. 1, 2. Only 3 reps. Last set. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dumbbells up. And let's go. 1, 2. 1. 1 more. And 2. That's it. Whew. Guess what? That does it for the chest. Ouch. I gotta say ouch. Whew. Well, that felt good. Chest done. Yes, that's how quickly we're gonna move. So that's how quickly we're gonna move through the rest of the workout. Now we're gonna work on that back. It's gonna take a little longer because we're gonna do it unilaterally, so 1 arm at a time. Same thing. Gonna warm up with the first set. Do 3 sets of quick repetitions after that, right? Same concept, so keep that in mind. We're trying to get done quickly. Always, I like working full body workouts because if you do this 3 times a week, and let's say you do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, for whatever reason, you can't do it on Wednesday, then you can just do it on Thursday and Saturday. whatever, it's not gonna make that much of a difference if you skip a day. If you're working lower body, upper body, let's say you skip a day, then you're skipping your lower body and you miss an entire routine like that. We don't wanna do that. So for this, I like doing it this way. Support yourself with one arm on your leg, and then we're gonna roll. Ready? 3, 2, 1, full extension as much as you can get. 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure why I'm counting. Keep going. Warm that back up and switch sides. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Do 2 more. Full extension and 2. Now we'll take a little longer break. We are warmed up. Sorry, my nose is runny. I was just outside shoveling snow as we are getting a good amount of snow today. It's winter. I expect a good amount of snow, so that feels nice and it looks nice outside. Anyway, I'm gonna add a bend to this because the 30s are a little light for me. So I'm gonna choke up on this bend, stand right here, give it a test stand, sure how it goes up, and that feels about right. And I'm just gonna grab my dumbbell and we're gonna go through the same exercise. I just wrapped this bend around, I just put my hand through it, and then I grab the dumbbell and let the bend rest on my wrist. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. That's one side. We switch to the other side. And let's go. That's it. We're switched. This side is already rested. Quick switch to the other side. And keep going. We're not stopping. That's that. Switch. Keep it up with me, guys. Keep it up with me. Choke up on that bend. Grab that dumbbell. And let's go. Choke up a little more. Ready? Let's go. Full range of motion. All right. One more set on each side. Ready? Full range of motion. And let's go. One more. Last set. Here we come. Keep it up. Choke up a little more, and here we go. Keep it up. And that's it. Whew. Well, back got to go to workout. Sort of the heart on that one. All right. 2 exercises down. 3 big moves left. We'll move on to the shoulder press. So on the shoulder presses, this is the height of my ceiling right here. You can't see it, but I'm already touching it. I can touch the ceiling pretty much with my palm like this. I'm gonna work the 30s. 30s are gonna be a little heavy. Still gonna go for 4 sets. And you might not see me extending my arm fully out because I will hit the ceiling. So normally what I do, I kneel down. Today, I am not kneeling down. So I'm going to warm up maybe with the bend. And then from there, I'm gonna move it onto the dumbbells. Or you could just continue working with the bend, and maybe that's what I'll do. We're kind of winging it. Are you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Usually I like to been doing 12 reps. 8 for the warm-up. 10, 1, and 2. All right. Now I'm going to grab my 30s. I'm not going to need a bend for this. If you have something lighter or if your dumbbells are too light, do the band and the dumbbells. Or if you just want to do it with the band, that's perfectly fine. We just got to move through it quickly because after this is the last upper body exercise. We're moving on to legs. All right. So I'm grabbing my 30s, which are relatively heavy. So I'm not going to be able to do that many reps. I'm going to squat down just a little bit so I don't hit the ceiling and cause drywall damage. And I have a chore to do today. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells up. And let's go. 1, 2, 1. Come on. 2, 1. 2. And I'm taking a break. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. And a break. One more set. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1. That's all I got. Shoulders are done. Maximum effort, guys. Maximum effort. That's what we're looking for. As you can tell, that's pretty much I could lift. I maybe squeezed out one more, but I was also afraid of using my legs and then getting a little bit of an extra push and then hitting that ceiling. So that was it. All right, 2 exercises left. Legs. We can't skip those legs. It's a full body workout, right? All major movements. We're gonna start off with squats. So I'm gonna use my 30s here. And as a warm-up set, I'm gonna do 12 repetitions. Then I'm gonna add a bend, probably. You guys ready to go? Like I said, quick workout. This is perfect for hotel room, travel, or whatever you got at home. You got 15 minutes, you can squeeze this in. Ready? 3, 2, 1, squat down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right. I'm going to grab a band. I'm going purple on this one. By the way, I'll leave a link to these bands in the description below, as I usually do. They're affiliate links. So if you do get one of these, they're about $30. I get about 45 cents out of it. But hey, 45 cents is 45 cents, right? Anyway, grab your dumbbells. We're going for a squat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set number 2. Here we come. Ready? Break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1. That's all I got. That's it. Whew. All right. We did the front of the legs. That was a squat / deadlift type of movement. I'm out of breath. We're almost done. Front of the legs is done. Back of the legs, we're going to do the RDL. So I'm going to start off with the lighter bend for our warm-up set. Then we're going to go through 3 sets of work. You guys know the RDL. Now you can use just the bend because it's already stretched. So you're going to stay right here. Butt's going to go back. And that's 1. Butt back, a little bit in the knees. It's a hinge movement, and that's 2. 3. Roll. 4. We're doing 12 for warm-up. 5. Keep it up. Let's do a couple more. 1 and 2. And that's it. Step out of it. I'm going to grab the heavier band, which is the purple band, for the next 3 sets. Same motion, same movement, guys. We're going RDL. Remember, we're making it quick. Little rest periods. We'll keep those muscles activated throughout. And only reps that are actually counting are the reps of those 3 last sets. So we don't, and they're all maxed out. So we kind of skip the first, if you do a sets of 12 normally, only the last 3 are difficult. The last 3 are difficult. So you're skipping those first few repetitions. That's in essence what we're doing. So ready to go? 3, 2, 1, stand up straight and roll down. 1. Beautiful, keep going. I got a couple more. 1 and 2. Let go of the bands. Couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3. Grab the bands. Set number 2. Ready? Let's go. 1. Hinge, remember. And 1. Hey, let's set. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. Work those glutes and those hamstrings. Posterior chain, keep it up. Very important. I got a couple more. 1 and 2. And let go. And that's it. I say it was probably about 15 minutes, minus the talking. You can always skip the talking part. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. This was our full body, 15-minute weight training workout. This is perfect if you're strapped for time, you're traveling or whatever. You can hop down in your basement, in your living room, dining room, hotel room workout, whatever you gotta do. You just have bands with you. You can do this with just bands only and get it done in 15 minutes and keep those muscles active while you can get your full workout. If this is your full workout, this is also great. Do this 3 times a week. You're all set. Guys, this is Fit After 50. My name is Paul. This is not Fit After 50. This is Paul. This is Fit After 50. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.